All right. Well, hopefully you are watching this video only because you want to see if the method that you use to draw the star is the same as the method I used. So now we're going to look at how to draw the star. And it's going to be pretty quick and easy. I remember when I learned how to draw the star from my CAD tutor, CAD lab monitor, whatever you want to call that person, at the University of Florida in 1986, right? So he showed me, after I went through the tribulations and turmoil of calculating all the angles, and found out that that was a hopeless endeavor and that was not going to work. And he showed me how I could do that, and I got that done. And interestingly enough, I then the next semester I became a CAD lab tutor in the CAD lab at University of Florida, and I was able to help the students with this. So so here we go. There's the star. So how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to use the offset command. So let's do offset 1.1, and we're going to offset the top line down. And yeah, it doesn't matter that it's only half. We only need that intersection right there. And then we're going to offset 0.9, and we're going to offset 1.5. So I'm going to offset 3 different times: 1.1, 0.9, and 1.5, right? All taken from dimensions that are in the figure, right? I'm not doing any calculations. And then we're going to offset the center line 0.8 and 1.25. Right now, I'm gonna extend this line over a bit because it's that's my son mowing the lawn. If you hear the lawnmower going, all right. Now, what do we do from here? Well, let's finish up what we're doing and let's mirror this. Right. So I'm going to select objects. Now watch. I'm going to mirror this with a crossing window, right? So I'm just grabbing all those things. Hit the enter key. Mirror line is right here and right here, right? So I get that. No, I don't want to delete it. And now, you know, this is going to be so easy. You're going to kick yourself when you see this. We just go like this. So I'm going to draw a line starting at the top. I'm going to stretch it down there, stretch it over here. I actually don't need to draw over that line, so I'm going to go back to the line command, go down here, and go down here. There we go. And I'm going to erase all these construction lines. And then there we go. All right. And then, yeah, you guessed it, we're going to trim. I'm just going to pick everything on the screen. We're going to trim out all this stuff. Whoops. And there we go. All right. I told you it was easy. Okay. There are other ways to draw the star, and they're kind of equally as easy, I think. So if you drew it a different way and you got the same result, then that's fine. Okay. That's just the way that I chose to draw it, using commands that we've already kind of been exposed to and we're going to be practicing. Okay, so that was about 4 minutes minus my babbling. All right, so good luck. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.